Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. We're going to jump right into today's video. I just got back from the car wash. I actually vacuumed my car out, and now everything just needs wiped down. When I tell you it is freezing outside, it is freezing outside, okay? Like really, really cold. At any rate, all of the stuff needed to get done, and this was the only opportunity that I had to do it, which is why I'm doing it now. I'm sure everyone can relate to being busy. Like, it just happens because life be lifing. You feel me? If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M, and I'm extremely thankful that you are here. Before you leave out, please hit the like button and subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. I create content pertaining to home life, so it's cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs, projects, painting. Your girl loves to paint, okay? As well as some repairs, life hacks, and cleaning hacks. In today's video, I'm continuing my series of commercial cleaning. I have one with just residential cleaning. This is commercial cleaning, so I'm just going to show you the things that I do when I'm there. Let's see if this works. It's really cold outside. It is 20 degrees today, and my sister bought me this for Christmas. So I want to see if it works because my car is so dirty, y'all. Also, I would like to point out what I wipe the inside of my car with. I mean, I wouldn't suggest this, but it smells amazing. It's the Daily Method wood cleaner, but I do need to clean the inside of the windows off first. And for some reason, I only recorded myself cleaning off one window, which is fine because you know how to clean windows, right? For the cleaner that I just showed you, it is a waterless car wash. So the first thing you want to do is you want to apply the cleaner, then you want to wipe it. Be sure to wipe it dry as it states on the directions. Although I didn't wipe one spot dry and nothing happened, but always follow directions anytime that you are using a new product. I'm finished with this side of the car and it is looking so shiny, so sparkly. It looks like 3 shades lighter. I want to show you that everything that was on the car was salt. So look at my hands. Like I said, it was all salt that was on there, salt buildup. Pretty gross. Ooh, Maxie, girl, you is pretty, okay? You have not been this shiny probably since the first owner bought you. I'm just saying. It's time to go to work. And this is what I have to drive in. Can you believe this? Like, if you know anything about me, I am not the person that wants to drive in any kind of inclement weather, okay? After taking my time to get here, I just came in to fill up my bucket to ensure that all of the products I needed would be on hand and I'm not like running back and forth to any kind of room to collect the items that I need. It's all about working smart and not hard.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you. From the inside out, so right now.
I normally do not clean toilets on camera. However, I think it's important for you to know that when you are, or if you do have a commercial cleaning job, that you clean the toilet as you would clean the toilet, at your home. You want to make sure that everything is clean. Besides, you want to keep your contract, right? You want to make sure that they are telling other people, hey, I got this person, they handle their business, you might want to use them, etc. Word of mouth definitely spreads in any business that you are in, especially the cleaning industry. Let's be real, good cleaners are hard to come by, and I'm sure some of you work in a corporate America setting where you're like, oh, these bathrooms are constantly smelly or dirty or not clean enough or whatever the case may be. But you want to make sure that you are handling your business. Always do the right thing no matter who is watching. That's how you get blessed in life. Let's admire the shine on this sink.
I'm still fly, I know.
There are no more urine stains on this toilet. And a lot of times I've been to a bathroom where a cleaner like literally just left the stall and there's still urine stains. Like, that's disgusting. I think it's important for me to show you overall what this space looks like, and then I'm going to show you some close-ups because just to the all-seeing eye initially, it looks like nothing needs to be done, but everything needs wiped down because everything has some kind of spillage on it.
Just say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it now. It's your time, oh. If you're on the bus, say yeah, yeah. If you're on the train, say yeah, yeah. If you
I love a good sink clean, and I did spray disinfectant in the sink prior to putting the Dawn in. I just don't really know where that recording is. I probably didn't hit record.
up in the air, say yeah. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm
Cleaning a commercial building is no different than cleaning your home, really. You want to make sure anytime you have to wipe a countertop off, move the things that are on the countertop and wipe underneath.
It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it now. It's your time, oh.
Another thing that I do is I make sure that my trash cans are not filled to the brim because they can be really heavy. When you get to the point where you're sweeping or mopping, be sure to move the items that are on the floor around so that you can sweep or mop underneath.
The fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us.
While I'm sleeping, I always kind of look at the floor to figure out how I want to mop it. Do I want to Swiffer it, or do I want to pull out the big boy and, get down and dirty? But this floor wasn't really that dirty. There was just a few spots like this one. So I just went ahead to Swiffer it. I will say a rule of thumb for the bathroom is do not Swiffer it, always mop it. For obvious reasons. Here is what everything looks like after everything has been wiped down. It smells really good in here. And look how shiny this sink is, okay? I am in love. Let's talk about the microwave. The microwave was cleaned from the inside out, and all of the stuff that was on top of the microwave as far as like food splatters is gone. So it's probably a great idea for you to cover your food when you put it in the microwave. When you are using a Swiffer throughout different rooms, definitely change the pad so that you're not carrying any dirt or bacteria from that room to the next. I live in Central Ohio. We don't really get a lot of snow, and I'm not sure who told the snow to snow, but it's snowing. I drove 35 miles per hour home, and it was like all freeway, but that's okay. I came home, I took a shower, and now it's time to cook because your girl's always hungry after she does something. Even if I just walk up the stairs, I'm hungry. I really appreciate all of you taking out the time to watch my video today. It means the world to me. I love all of the comments. I like conversing with people because that's just what I like to do, especially in the privacy of my own home. Please do not forget to hit the like button and show the subscribe button some love as well. It really does help my channel. The next few videos, we're going to get back to normal life with normal Kim footage from Kim's home. There's a lot of projects that I'm working on, and I'm also sewing pillows to kind of revamp the living room around. So you don't want to miss that. Be sure to subscribe. I had forgotten to take a picture of the food. This was my second plate. This happens to me all of the time. So I made shrimp asparagus and garlic smashed potatoes. It was so good. Be sure to love on yourself and also know your worth in life. Know what it is that you are worthy of, which is everything. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.